Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing some project shares, a tutorial, and then another haul from Happycraftershops. Okay, you guys can use my code Poochie10 if you want to do a little shopping and save an extra 10% off of your entire purchase on her new website. Okay guys, so let me show you guys what I made and the items that I use. Everything will be listed down below that I mentioned, along with my haul video and my code that you can use. Okay, so this is the little purse that I created. Oh my God, it's so adorable, you guys. I use Happycraftershops, her sequins right here. They're so pretty, you guys. You have to snatch these. They're adorable. And then I mix some of my own. There's some like little jewel things in there, like really blinky. Can you see right there? Yeah, they're gorgeous. And then I made a bow. And of course, I had to stick another bow. I was like, dang, is this like too much bow hoeing going on? But you guys know that I love bows. So it'll never be enough. So I put that cue, and I use it throughout a lot of projects, guys. I'm obsessed with these. And then I use her little striped heart bead here. I made like a little dangle, and I just think it looks so cute, you guys, on this little purse. I will leave the link for this purse down below from another shop if you guys are interested. I'm going to do a separate video on that. But how cute did this turn out, guys? And honestly, these are like my 3 faves. I use a lot of the same things within these products that I'm going to show you because I just could not stop playing with them. They are so cute. All right. And also, if you get these striped beads, you get a ton of different colors. All these little colors of the little striped beads. And they go perfect with this collection, the Happy Heart Simple Stories collection. All right. They go perfect with those. I dropped something. Okay, so the next item that I made are these tassels. How beautiful did these tassels come out? I miss making tassels, you guys. So I had to make a tassel. I've been wanting to make one for a minute now. So I use, again, those heart beads. So here's a different color, pink. See? And then I added some of my little beads. And then I added that bow cabochon on the bottom. How pretty does that look? So I just need to add a lobster clasp to that. Okay. So there are my bows. I'm trying to keep everything in frame. Probably won't be able to do it, but that's fine. Okay. So there goes the first tassel that I made. And then I created this tassel here. And I thought this one came out really cute. So same thing with those striped beads. But I added the sequins here on the bottom. So that's another way you can use your sequins. I've done this before with diamond dots on my tassels, and it comes out really cute. So I decided to do it with her heart sequins as well. So I just took my Nuvo glue, guys, put little dots here and there, and I grabbed my little pick tool, and I just placed them on there and let them dry, guys. And they came out perfect. Okay, you can also do the back side so that it looks cute either way you put it. But I just did the front side. I can't speak as usual when I do these videos. I don't know what's going on with me. Okay, the third project that I created, item, are these little bows. Now, I didn't finish these. I didn't do the middle, but I wanted to show you guys how you can use those sequins. And she's got plenty of pretty sequins in her, on her website. So whichever ones that you see that you love, snatch them while you can, okay? So I'm just going to show you really quickly how to do this. And she's got all these cute little cabochons that you can, like, you know, put it on the side to embellish, in the middle, whatever have you. I haven't figured out what I want to put in the center of mine yet. So actually, I was thinking about using another one of those bows. Let's see how it looks. Is it too much bowing going on? Too much bow hoeing? I think it looks kind of cute. But again, I'm not sure what I want to put on that. But I want to show you guys really quickly how I did this. It's so simple. All you need is your hot glue and your sequins. So here, I got some sequins right there. Here's another paper so that I don't ruin that one. So you got to work kind of fast. Let me see if I have another little container. I could just pour it in so I don't make a huge mess. Okay, so let's do this. You want to be fast. You want to grab your hot glue and you want to put it wherever you want those sequins to be. So I'm kind of doing like a little dripping looking type of design. and quickly grab those sequins. Oh, I should have had it open. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Be quick, guys. You know, these sequins, the hot glue dries really quickly. And just pour up top, okay? You could even dip if you want. Design it really doesn't matter too much because since these are all like different sizes, but that's so cute, guys. Look at that. And you can just like knock off the excess. And if you want to add more, you can add more. Like, see there's a little glue. I can put a little bit more glue and stick another one. But especially if this bow was bigger, this is the smaller one that I'm showing you. So with a bigger one, it'll really show nicely. I just wanted to give you guys, you could even dip it in there. I don't have enough in this little container. So just throw it on top and pat down carefully and then knock off the excess. Okay, they're just hanging by a string. Just pull them off. And again, if you want to add more or less, you can do that. So you see, take some of these. Those are still kind of good. Let me add a little couple more on here, these little spots. You could even place them individually with like a little pick. But this is a great way to add some dimension. Not dimension. Some texture to your bow. So isn't that cute, you guys? So I thought that came out really cute. I'll figure out how I'm going to embellish those. And you guys will see them. You can see them on my Instagram. I'll post them. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. Okay. So I made those bows with the sequins. And then last but not least, I had to recreate my love arrows that I did last year. My beaded love arrows. Look at how gorgeous these are, guys. So gorgeous. So I used her heart. These hearts are perfect for these arrows. And I'm going to do another tutorial. I'm going to do a tutorial right now for you guys. Show you how to do them. And it's so simple. You're going to need I can't think of what they're called. An eye pin. These are eye pins, okay? And you're going to need some beads, and you're going to need those gorgeous arrow beads. I think I want to do this color. It comes in all these different colors, guys, so they're really, really pretty, okay? So you need one of those for your base. You need your other beads, some smaller beads, whatever kind of beads you want to use, and then a bow to top it off. I think I picked out this one to do this one like another style. So it's so simple. All you do is grab your heart, beat it through, and then you're going to go ahead and design how you want to do yours. You can use whatever colors you like, whatever combinations. You can use seed beads. Just play with what you have in your stash. Actually, I want to do the solid pink with this. So I'm just going to get a little pattern going. Put that right there. And these little tiny beads are some beads that I got at like TJ Maxx or Home Goods last year. It came in a huge bottle and I love them because of their size. And then I want to add a little heart one. Do I have another one? I'm going to link my old tutorial because I did use some Dollar Tree beads with letters that you guys can check out. You might have those in your stash. But guys, you have to snatch this heart. It is perfect for these arrows. These beaded love arrows is what I call them. All right, one more. So I'm just following a pattern. And then I'm going to top it off with my bow bead. And I think I got this bow from Lisa as well. So these are two different types of bow beads that you can use. And I just want to show you this one. so that you can see the different types of bows and how they look. Let me get that strung good. Okay. And there goes your little love arrow. Isn't it so cute, you guys? They look so beautiful. I think this one's my favorite. So you'll have to tell me which one's your favorite. And that's how you do the little love arrows, guys. I hope to see you guys recreate these. And let me show you guys really quickly my haul. Because after I showed my design team stuff, and again, check out that other video, guys, because she has so many other cute things that I wasn't able to play with yet. Look at these beautiful hearts. So many goodies. So I want to squeeze in this haul for this video. So this is what we're doing. All right. Oh my God, I'm so obsessed with this. So cute. Aren't they adorable? So again, use your seed beads. Use whatever beads you have. You have to snatch these. They're just perfect for this project. Okay. All right. Let me grab that box. So again, after my design team unboxing, I jumped on her site because I did see a few things. And oh man, she had some cute stuff, you guys. This is her shop, happycraftershop.com. Again, you can use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your purchase, guys. There's so many goodies on there. I'm telling you, you're going to want to snatch everything. And you better snatch whatever you want because she sells out very quickly, okay? So she had these, what do you call these again? Velcros. These pink circle Velcros. And I had to grab 3, okay? So you get the front and the back piece as a set. Oh, I grabbed 4 of these, okay? And I don't remember the prices, but guys, everything was really inexpensive. I want to say everything was like $2. But don't quote me on that because I really cannot remember. She sent me a free gift. She sent these love cabochons. Thank you, Lisa. I had to snatch these. I thought these were so pretty. They are like little padded hearts with scalloped hearts with the glitter. So I grabbed 2 of those. And again, I think they were $2 each, if I'm not mistaken. I had to snatch these little bags. They're like little velour bags. And they come in pink and red. So you get, it looks like 3 of each in a package. So I grabbed 2 packs of those. She also, guys, has a bunch of like Valentine kits. And I think this was like a little clay kit. And I had to snatch it because it had the little white sprinkles cut down, the little pink ones, the little love note envelopes, and then this little mix here. Okay. So this one might have been a little bit more. I think like $3.75. But again, guys, don't quote me on that. I snatched these, guys. I saw these. I was like, why didn't you send me these, Lisa? These are so cute, guys. I had to get 2 packs of these because they are beautiful. Okay. And I still got some Christmas stuff that I'm working on. So these will come in handy. Aren't they gorgeous, you guys? They say hot. They're so pretty. I picked up this. So I saw this on her site. They're little letters. I know you probably can't see it. You can kind of see them. They're little letters. And she had it spelled out love. So I thought that they all had like LOVEs. But no, guys. These are all every letter of the alphabet. So you can spell out whatever you want with these, okay? I know they're a little hard to tell on camera. There you go. You can see it. But they're holographic. There goes the N. And they're really cute. So I grabbed 1 pack of those. And then last but not least, I had to snatch these spoons, you guys. Look at how cute they are. I had to get 2 of this one because I'm always losing stuff. Lisa, if you're watching this, please get those pink tweezers back in your shop. I need some more of those. Comes in this cute bag. And it is just a gold metal spoon. And it's got a bow on top and a heart. Y'all know I had to snatch this. So you could be all fancy with your sequin mixes. And you could stir, you know. These are some other cute things from her shop, guys. Cute little rainbow that I didn't get a chance to play with. And then last but not least, I did grab this spoon. And it just has like a heart shape on the bottom. And it's a lot bigger. The spoon part is a lot bigger. Okay. So I hope you guys found some inspiration in this video. Go snatch whatever you can from her site. I don't want to hear you guys complaining that there's nothing left. Don't think twice about it. Whatever you want to get, grab it while you can. Use my code Poochie10 so you can save 10% off of your entire purchase. And I really hope that I inspire you guys somehow with these projects. And she has me guest designing for another month, so I will be back with another video of some goodies to show you guys from her. Okay, I'm looking forward to seeing all the new things that she has coming in her shop. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. I hope you guys enjoy your day. Bye, everyone.